also known as Millie Mill from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. I wanted to show y'all an update of my little miniature garden here. And this is the update. You see how beautiful it's blooming and blooming and blooming. We got marigolds here, and we still got some more. I guess these are called, I hope I can say the word real fast, gladius. And we got other things down in here, as y'all can see, celestos. And we got other little cute little flowers down here, as y'all can see. This is the miniature garden now. And then if Lene can take a broad move back, she can give y'all the whole garden, okay? And I'll move out the way. Can you see the gradients about over there, Nene? Yeah, and give them the whole thing, Nene. Just come back and give them that whole thing there, that whole garden thing there. That we don't forget now, we started this one out in May. The other one that we did before was started out well late. But this is the one that we started in May, and now you can see how beautiful it's blooming. And it just looked really calm and comfortable out here. I can sit out here and sit out on my porch sometimes and look at the little miniature garden and sit in even my driveway, I guess. But you know, I love to look at things that gives me comfort, and I'm quite sure this will give me a lot of comfort and other people that comes to the house. But if she goes over a little bit, you can get that, the whole, yeah, see the white one, the gladiators over there, like going up my stuff to my house. I think they're all so beautiful. So I hope y'all enjoy this little miniature video. And this is Mildred, also known as Millie Mill, and Monet. Hold on a minute, and we're going to sign out in a few minutes. But I wanted to show y'all that this is what has happened to the garden that we pre-planted back in May, and it's blooming. It's just blooming, blooming, blooming. So, and it's a good comfort feeling for a Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor outside idea. Okay, this is doing decor outside of your home, and I'll be signing out from Millie Mill.